Number 3, Friendly Banter, who comes in from Arlington off a turf win.
And away they go. Orgy was off slowly. Princess Bertrando is fast into stride along the inside. Desert Steel, and there goes Soul Flyer now up to gate third. Take It Easy Please is in fourth. Behind that, Wacky Logic. Forever Dorothy is the grey. Then we come back to Saint Natter. Back second last is Simply in Or, and Or G is last. They run past the 3/8 pole, and Desert Steel goes clear now. Desert Steel bounding for home, leads it by 2. Princess Bertrando tracks in second. On the far side is Soul Flyer now coming to take them on. Big Gap a 6 back to Take It Easy Please. They turn for home, and Desert Steel, the one to catch, hugs the rail, full of run and kicks on for home. And Desert Steel gliding along on the lead has opened up 5 on them now. Behind that, Princess Bertrando's Soul Flyer, but they would need to sprout wings to get absolutely slaughtered them. Second was Princess Bertrando, then Soul Flyer and Take It Easy Please.